Hi everyone, welcome to What's for Dinner. My name is Gordo and this is my dad.
Hello, everybody.
He's a chef and restaurant owner for more than 20 years and he's here to teach us how to cook simple Chinese dishes at home. So if you want to learn more Chinese recipes, please like and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, today we're making Taiwanese 3-cup chicken.
Yeah, Sunbeiji.
This is a delicious dish that is packed with flavor. It is called 3-cup chicken because it utilizes 3 different cups of sauces to make this dish. Obviously, we're very creative in that space. Anyways, let's get started. To start off, you'll need cooking wine, oyster sauce, soy sauce, chicken flavoring, 12 cloves of garlic, green onion, ginger, basil, sesame oil, white pepper, and 4 chicken thighs or 1 pound of chicken thighs. Alright, to start on the prep, we're going to leave the garlic as it is and make sure to take the skins off. Then you're going to slice up 12 thin slices of ginger. For the green onion, you'll just need to cut it up into 1-inch chunks. And lastly, the chicken thighs. You'll just need to cut them into large chunks like this. Now we're going to do a quick and easy marinade for the chicken. First, we're going to add 1 small teaspoon of chicken flavoring, 1 small teaspoon of pepper, and 2 small spoons of soy sauce. Then we're going to mix it all up and let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. Now, let's get to our 3 cups of sauces that this dish is named after.
1個 cup 米酒，米酒一般用幾多啊？都係用3個 spoon， 用3個 spoon 等於1個 cup。1、2、3。Yes，如果正常嚟講，啲人係俾3杯麻油，因為3個 spoon 麻油。我都可以俾埋佢，因為佢呢個時間唔係好大個，我哋呢個2個。要3，咁咪2個 cup 啦。3嘅係醬油啦，soy sauce，soy sauce， 呢個就1、2、3。又咁，如果你怕住佢太鹹，咁咪啲酒可以俾多1杯都得，俾多一嘅時間。但我哋呢度再加少少呢個蠔油，等佢比較最好食啲。有啲人係唔俾蠔油噶啦，我哋可以加個蠔油落呢個醬油嗰度攪一攪攪佢，大約半個 spoon 呢個得啦，等佢比較繼續好食啲。Soy sauce and oyster sauce here, 1個 cup 麻油 Sesame Oil， 呢個就係呢個 white 米酒，咁叫做3杯嘅，所以我知。
Alright, let's get to cooking. First, we're going to heat up our pan till it's hot and then we're going to add in our sesame oil in there. Let that heat up for at least 30 seconds and then add in your ginger. Cook off your ginger until the ginger has a nice golden color on it and then add in your garlic. Cook off the ingredients in there until you get some color on the ginger and garlic and then add in your green onion in there. Toss everything around for about 20 seconds and then add in your chicken. Cook your chicken and make sure to brown each side of the chicken for at least 2 minutes and then add in your soy sauce. Continue to keep on cooking for another 2 minutes and then add in your cooking wine. Toss it around a bit and then cover the wok with a lid and let it simmer for about 4 minutes, and then check on the chicken to see if it's cooked by taking one out and then splitting it in half. Once you see that it's cooked, add a little bit of cornstarch and water mixture in there to make the sauce thicker, and then add in your basil. At the same time, if you want to be a little extra, heat up a clay pot next to it and then add some basil in there too. Heating up the clay pot will add an amazing sizzling effect to the dish and guaranteed to wow your guests. Mix your basil in with the chicken and then cook it for another minute, and then you can turn off the gas. Grab a mitten or a towel and carefully place your clay pot on a wooden plate and pour over the chicken. Put a lid over it and it's ready to serve. I hope y'all enjoy.
Okay, let's eat.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Hey, what's for dinner?
Oh, some Taiwanese 3-cup chicken. Do you want some?
Yeah, 三杯鸡.
Seems easy. Yeah, let's try it. Yeah, try some.
Okay. Very special.
Wow. How juicy it is. Alright, try it.
Let's try it. Good.
Wow.
Yeah.
Life-changing. Oh, yeah, that was life-changing. Well, thank you, everybody. Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Hey, where am I?
You're part of a bigger universe whether you like it or not.
Yeah, I see you know, and what are you?
It doesn't matter who I am. All that matters is that you'll join the team.
What team and what are we gonna do?